Hi everyone. Tonight I'm gonna make some donuts out of the Grand's biscuits. You can use any biscuit for this. You can use the small ones or the big ones. We just happen to have 2 cans of these biscuits, so we're gonna use these for, sorry, my stove is smoking. I'm not sure if it's showing or not, but anyway, so I'm gonna put the grease to warm up. So you'll have a pan of grease there, and you'll just, or oil, vegetable oil, canola oil. You just kind of fill it, maybe like a ½ inch, so that it will cook the donuts, fry them. Then you're gonna get a, this is a donut cutter. If you're gonna use, it's my grandma's, and so you can take the inside piece out and just cut the biscuit. Okay, so you'll pull the little wrapper off, and it didn't pop again, so you will have to just press on it on one of the seams. I can't see it, but let's see. Oh, there it is. Right there. Okay, so I'll pop that. All right, so you'll just get the donut hole cutter. You can probably use just a little lid if you don't have one of these. That would work. So you'll just cut this out. Okay, and make the little donut hole. So let me move the camera so that, okay, you'll get that good and hot. You could tell the grease, the heat from the temperature with your hand over it. It's a good way to test it out. And then you don't want it too hot. Definitely don't want it to be too cold. All right, so let's just cut these out. Okay, so next you're going to fry the donuts. You want to get a plate ready with a napkin on it for them to sit on right when you're done, when you pull them out of the grease. So I put 2 plates up so that they have a place to sit for all of the donuts. So let's get busy frying. All right, so first I will fry one of the donut holes just to test the heat. So you don't want it to fry too quick because the inside won't cook well. So you just want to make sure that it has a good temperature on it before you start putting all of them in. And you flip them very carefully. Grease is very hot, so you don't want to get burned. Those look good. Okay, now we're going to make frosting for these as well. It's going to be the same as we did the other day for the cinnamon rolls, the powdered sugar frosting mix. So let's keep on frying these. So next we are going to make frosting. So we'll put some powdered sugar in the bowl. And that's going to be about a ½ cup again. I just kind of usually feel like that much. And then I'm going to melt some butter. Need the 2 tablespoons of butter. Next we're going to add in the milk, 2 cups. This is a little bit more powdered sugar, so I think I'll do 3 cups full of milk. This is one of our, here it's sparkling, hold on. It's all melted, so I'm going to pour it in. Mix it around. My mom's made this since we were little, so it's always been one of our favorites. It's so yummy. Actually gonna add in a couple of drops of blue food coloring. If it seems like it's too runny, you can add more powdered sugar, just slowly, so it doesn't get too thick. Then you have to put more butter, then you have to put more milk. So you just feel the consistency is what you want it. Okay, so that's all mixed up. Now you can just go ahead and start frosting the donuts. So just a little bit cold now, so that's why I can make the frosting after. It was really hard to handle with our scrub. Ooh, that looks good. Okay. But they're really good when they're hot and fresh, so enough frosting on there. Here we go. So now we have the plate of semi-homemade donuts for dessert tonight. Washed up. Hope you like and subscribe.